Okay, we're in the demo company and we're going to have a little look at projects. Project sits between accounting and contacts here and is only available if you're paying the subscription. There is an extra payment to pay. It's $7 a month um, plus $5 per additional user. I can see a full listing of the projects I've got. There's different stages. I can have draft, in progress, or closed. I can record time. I can see reports. I can set up new projects. So let me go into a project here. And let me, if I want to record time, I can go from the timer here, which is down here, and I can click time on the project. Or I can go up here and I can put in time, where I just do a new time entry, which would be my preference. I can also record time for other team members, which is quite handy if I'm the producer and I'm collating time for everyone else. You can assign people to projects, so they will only see the projects here that they're assigned to in Xero, which is quite useful. And then one of the new features here is this kind of profitability screen, where it's just a nice visualization of what we've invoiced, what the cost was, and what the profit is, which is kind of nice to go in and out of. And you can, there's hyperlinks to do various things. So it just makes it very, very usable, which people like. One other thing on time there that I thought was interesting is that you can actually use Trello to record time on a board and have it automatically go into Xero, which is quite nice. The things that I would like to see that I don't see is, even though I've got reporting on projects, I don't see it kind of tying into the profit and loss of the company. So, even though I can see all the projects here and the profitability, it won't necessarily, link it to the turnover of the company, which I'd love to see that reconciliation. Another thing, if I go to change a rate, for example, on a staff member, it'll change it on all the historic stuff as well, which is a little bit simplified. So that would be one reason why I wouldn't recommend it to a big team. And then the other thing that I think is a bigger team would need, they'd need to be able to see some capacity planning. So see a forecast of who's booked on what project in the future. And again, we don't have any of that foresight. Having said that, it's a nice tight product for a small team, and it has all the functionality, and it's all within the one application being Xero, which is a real benefit.